Islam, the religion of over 1 billion people, offers timeless life lessons that individuals sometimes realize or appreciate only later in life. Here are some of these lessons. Seeking a relationship with the Creator. Islam teaches that the purpose of life is to worship and establish a deep connection with Allah God. Many people realize later in life that true fulfillment comes from nurturing a spiritual relationship with the divine. Practicing gratitude. Islam emphasizes gratitude as a fundamental virtue. People often learn too late that appreciating the blessings they have, no matter how small, brings contentment and opens their hearts to even more blessings. Valuing family and relationships. Islam emphasizes the importance of family and maintaining strong ties with relatives. Later in life, people often realize the significance of investing time and effort into nurturing these relationships, as they provide love, support, and a sense of belonging. Prioritizing character development. Islam places great emphasis on developing good character traits, such as honesty, kindness, patience, and forgiveness. People often come to understand the value of these virtues later in life, realizing that true success lies in how they treat others and how they conduct themselves. Embracing inner peace. Islam teaches that inner peace is attainable through submission to Allah and aligning one's actions with His guidance. Many people spend a significant portion of their lives seeking peace and tranquility, only to realize later that it can be found by surrendering to a higher power and living a righteous life. Practicing self-discipline. Islam encourages self-discipline in various aspects of life, including controlling one's desires, managing time, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. People often learn the importance of self-discipline later in life, when they realize that it leads to personal growth, productivity, and a sense of purpose. Giving and charity. Islam emphasizes the act of giving, both in terms of charity and kindness towards others. People often discover the profound joy and fulfillment that comes from helping those in need later in life, realizing the transformative impact of selfless acts. Embracing patience and trust in divine decree. Islam teaches that life is full of trials and challenges. People often come to understand later in life the value of patience and trust in Allah's plan, as these virtues provide solace during difficult times and allow for personal growth and resilience. Seeking knowledge. Islam encourages the pursuit of knowledge in all areas of life. People sometimes realize later that continuous learning and seeking knowledge not only enriches their understanding of the world, but also leads to personal and intellectual growth. Embracing the transient nature of life. Islam teaches that life in this world is temporary and that the ultimate abode is in the hereafter. People often grasp the fleeting nature of life later in life, realizing the importance of focusing on their purpose, making the most of their time and preparing for the eternal life to come. These timeless life lessons from Islam remind individuals to seek a deeper connection with the divine, prioritize relationships, and live a life of gratitude, discipline, and compassion. By reflecting on these lessons and incorporating them into their lives, people can strive for a more fulfilling and purposeful existence.